Everyone wants to earn money from YouTube, and we have discussed how this money is earned in the previous video. Now we had to discuss about the YouTube algorithm, how the YouTube channel can be made successful by becoming viral in a short time and earning income from the first month. Currently, we upload two types of videos in YouTube. One is YouTube long video and one is YouTube short video. Short video is the shortcut to increase subscribers, while long video is the main source of fulfilling watch hours and earning money. There is also a common misconception regarding video views for YouTube earning, which we will discuss in detail in the next video. But for now, let's look at YouTube's algorithm, how it works and how it can make a channel go viral in no time. YouTube Shorts are a very easy way to become viral at this time. You upload a 1-minute video on your favorite topic and YouTube's algorithm itself reaches a certain number. If the video gets more likes and comments and the content of the video is lively, then that video not only goes viral, but also goes trending and gets millions of views, while thousands of subscribers are also found. YouTube Short is a very easy way to get subscribers. Normal short video is also given 20 to 40 subscribers. In a short video, if a video is created by combining different video parts, it has more chances of going viral than a single video that consists of a single scene or part. If the video contains different scenes or scenes with changing backgrounds, the algorithm immediately picks up such a video. Title and hashtags are also of key importance in a short video. The title should be relevant and catchy to your video, and the hashtags should also be relevant to the topic. While depending on your topic, you can also get an idea by watching YouTube short videos that other channels related to your topic are uploading videos with which titles and hashtags. This can make your video viral quickly. But my personal experience is that YouTube has now developed a more advanced artificial algorithm than the title pre-tag video tag description, which is capable of categorizing video content by looking at it. According to my experience, if the video keeps changing scenes every few seconds, then the video gets more reach and views. As you will see few vloggers whose background view is changing every 7 to 10 seconds. As many viral videos as you look at, the most common factor seems to be the change of scene, which makes the algorithm think that the video is not only unique, but also covers a lot of places and topics and can be useful to users. In next video we will discuss in detail about long videos. Soon we will upload next video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, InfoTech, and also press like button. For any question or query please write on comment box. We would like to respond your feedback.